So here we are. Let me guess. You'll bury me in the garden.
Do it now.
If you order your men to attack me, Marcel, you will be sending them to their deaths. That I guarantee. Let's end this charade, shall we? Whoever picks up this coin gets to live. Now, which of you magnificent bastards wants to join me?
Anyone wants that coin? Pledge allegiance to Klaus. Go ahead. The choice is yours. Take him.
Marcel! Come and finish this!
Take the coin.
What?
Won't stop until everyone is dead, and he will kill you too. End this.